The topic of this video is how to use your debugger window. And so here's the way you get to your debugger window to begin with. You need to click on compile, which will check your code, and then download. It's loading. Okay, so now we all know that this little box right here, you can click start and then use your little test bed to run your program. But what we don't know about yet is this little window right here. I call it the debugger window. See your errors down here, your global variables, and your local variables. So what we need to do is go to Robot, Debugger Windows, and we need to turn on motors and sensors. So you'll have to do this twice. Click on motors first. Go back to debugger window and then turn on the sensors. So now we can see the value of everything we have. So look at my touch sensors here. So I have two. So right now I'm doing my limit switch and it's changing from 1 to 0, 1 to 0. Same thing with my bump switch. Well, see, obviously, this is why we check these things. My bump switch is not working very well. So that's something that I need to check. Another thing is your line follower is showing right now at 3,000. If I cover it up, it goes all the way down to like 780, 800 or something like that if I cover it up with my finger. The potentiometer, if I turn it up and down, I got to get a little stick here. Okay, if I turn it up and down, see how it turns all the way down to 0? Turns all the way back up to 4,000 and almost 95. Okay, that's what we use our debugger window for, is to check to see that everything's working. So obviously one of my touch sensors wasn't showing 0 and 1. My limit switch did, but my bump switch didn't. So I need to go back and make sure everything's plugged in correctly. And that is how you turn on your debugger window. Never forget that you always have to click download to robot first, then turn on motors and sensors so that you can see everything. And that's all.